Now the next type of tense, the next part of past, simple past tense is past continuous tense. Earlier we have done present continuous tense, remember. Now we are doing past continuous tense. See, continuous name itself is telling continuous ing form, as in present we have done, but the change is here in the time. now टाइम में चेंज आ गया है, पास्ट की बात हो रही है यहाँ पे. सो व्हाट इज पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस? लेट्स सी. an action that was going on at some time in the past was going on. प्रेजेंट में चल रहा है and in the past it was going on, चल रहा था. somewhere in the past, the time is known and unknown. वो टाइम किसी को नहीं पता पास्ट में कि किस टाइम पे वो काम चल रहा था. but an action that was going on in the past is known as past continuous tense. means वो काम past tense में चल रहा था, हो रहा था, कंटिन्यूएशन में था वो. ठीक है. सो वेरी सिंपल इट इज an action that was going on at some time, at some unknown or known time. कभी हो सकता है हमें टाइम पता हो उस एक्शन के बारे में, वो कब हो रहा था. कभी sometimes happens कि हमें उस एक्शन के टाइम के बारे में नहीं पता हो. so here both the things are applicable, known and unknown time. ठीक है. somewhere in the past. so that type of action is known as in past continuous tense. ठीक है. now what is the rule, what thing do we apply in that? use of was, were, ठीक है, प्लस मेन वर्ब विद ing. ये याद आया? ing कंटिन्यूएशन में ing यूज होता है. रिमेंबर इट वाज इन प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस आल्सो एंड हियर आल्सो. सो इन कंटिन्यूअस टेंस वी ऑलवेज यूज ing विद द मेन वर्ब. ठीक है. ये क्या होती है? हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स, was and were. again the same thing, this is used with singular subject और I के साथ भी यूज होता है. ठीक है. and this were is used with plural subjects. ठीक है. ये मेन वर्ब है, मेन वर्ब, एक्शन वर्ब जिसे कहते हैं, प्लस उसके साथ हम क्या लगाते हैं? ing का यूज करते हैं. we use ing with that, then it becomes in the participle form. ठीक है. with the help of example it will be more clear to you. continuous tense, the boys were jumping on the bed. The boys were jumping on the bed. now see, this is what? subject, noun, boys. ठीक है. ये क्या है? subject है. ठीक. this is what? helping verb. ठीक. now this is the main verb. jump is the main verb. by adding ing to it, बाद में हमने इसमें क्या लगा दिया? ing. now it has become the continuous form, जिसको कहते हैं, अब ये बनाने से क्या बन जाता है? इसको कहते हैं present participle. ठीक है. on the bed, this is what? object. the boys were jumping on the bed. were क्यों आएगा? because the boys is more than one, plural है ये. अभी मैंने बताया कहाँ पे कैसे यूज करना. I told you just now how and where to use the things. ठीक है. तो were is the boys is plural here, the subject is plural, so we will add were with it. ठीक है. jump is the main verb, it becomes jumping by adding ing लगाने से वो jumping बन जाता है. ठीक है. on the bed, कहाँ पे कूद रहे हैं? कहाँ पे कूद रहे थे? on the bed. the boys were jumping on the bed. so this shows that this action was in continuation in the past. ये काम past में हो रहा था. ठीक है. so this is known as past continuous tense. one more example I give you, with that it will be easy for you to understand. continuous, as I told you previous also, previously also that continuous is the very easy part. ठीक है, like for example, the peacock was dancing in the rain. The peacock was dancing in the rain. Now see, again, the peacock was now see, what is this? Subject. Peacock क्या है? Subject. ये क्या है? Helping verb. ये क्या है? Main verb. ing. And what is this? Object. Now here see, the peacock was. Peacock is one. One peacock. एक peacock की बात हो रही है यहाँ पे. So क्या use करेंगे? Was. ठीक है? Dancing. Now see here the spelling change. What is the main verb? What is the main spelling of dance? D-A-N-C-E. This is the main spelling of dance. ठीक है? Remove this remove this E, add ing. Then it becomes dancing. ठीक है? Now this is the present participle form of dance. Present participle form of dance is dancing. ठीक है? कहाँ पे? In the rain. So the peacock was dancing in the rain means this action, the peacock, it was dancing in the rain. It was happening in the continuation in the past tense. So this is known as past continuous tense. Okay students? Okay. Bye bye.